Hmm. You know, it's kind of, it's kind of surprising how I won two challenges in a row. I might stay there for a while.
Well, the chances are you might lose the next one.
Well, it depends.
Well, I'm. Well, I predict that you're going to lose the next one.
Well, if it does, then it kind of doesn't matter because we don't always win.
Well, face it.
Yeah, like face the fact, Noodles. You're not gonna win all the challenges. You already lost a couple of them, and even one of them where you actually let Warpipe won. Well, fair point. Alright. Well, I'm kind of getting bored. Where's the elimination? When is Red Pencil ever gonna make... host the elimination? Well, it's the time, but where is he? Well, I don't know. Maybe he's just too busy with something. And we should honestly ask ask Wolfie B for this information.
Say, Lego boy.
Yeah. What is it, Orange?
Say, remember how we were both made it so farther than the other armless people in season 1? Yeah, like, we were literally like, in season 1, we were like the last two armless people to be out of the game. But now, it looks like we are still in the show, but you got eliminated first along with Lighter, and Mountedy is still out. So, Mountedy's the only armless contestant who's eliminated, and you are still here. By the way, do you think we'll get out soon? Well, I'm thinking Jack and Jellify, since he honestly just... I don't know, I just kind of think he would be... Lego, so what's even... Why do you think I'm gonna get out? I don't know, you're just copyrighted, and plus, you already got out. So there's no way you're gonna make it this far, and plus, you already made it in 3rd place in season 1. That may be true, but I would like to do more stuff. Yeah, like, leave him alone, Lego. Oh, make me. Make me if you can. Oh yes, I will make you. Then bring on Karen. Don't call me a Karen! Aaron. Ren. Whatever, Karen. Young man, you better stop calling me Karen right now. No. Ooh. Cece's getting hyped up. Yeah. And Lego, can you stop annoying her? You do realize she doesn't like it when she's called Karen. Why not? Because she kind of doesn't like being called a Karen. Well, she acts like one. And how do I even act like one? I don't know, you just go on your phone a lot. Well, in this season, I don't actually go on my phone a lot in this season. When was the last time that I ever went on my phone? I don't know, I was out of the competition since the 2nd episode. Yeah, me neither. I wasn't in the whole competition. I only survived. I only done a couple of challenges. And that's it. Hey guys, Red Pencil needs us, so I recommend we go to the elimination area. Come with me. Oh, and there goes my goal. I'm gonna see you getting out, J. Whatever.
Well, guys, you have made it this far, but one of you is going to be in 9th place.
Yeah, what else is new? It's obvious that Jack is going to get out. Yeah. Right. Don't mind him, Jack. Yeah, but still. Why does he keep wanting me to get out? Because you already made it far in Season 1. Oh, okay, Lego, you can... I think it's better if you just ignore him. Just don't annoy him too much. Anyways, Wolf Tablet, how many votes did we get?
We only got 3 votes, just like in the first elimination of Season 1, which is extremely lower than the other episodes.
Huh? Oh, how did that happen? Well, honestly, I actually don't know. Well, it kind of depends. Maybe the viewers don't even know about the poll. But anyways, on to the votes. Alright. Many of you people, well, almost everyone got 0 votes. But the only 2 people who got votes were Jack and Jellify and Suggulite. Everyone else got 0 votes, except for Jack and Jellify and Suggulite. Well, I guess you're not really that much loved. Bid. So, what are the prizes that you're gonna give us to? Well, here. Oh, these? Where are they from? They're from the arcades that the producer has been in. Well, you'll see later. Anyways, Jack and Jellify and Suggulite. One of you is going away. And the last one will have this one, which this one is blue. The last person safe is Suggulite with only 1 vote against her. Jack and Jellify is eliminated with 2 votes. What? Well, that's good. Oh, man. Well, I guess it's bye-bye time. I have fun with all of you. And at least 9th place is not that bad. Well, goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, Jack. We're going to miss you. I'm not. What? I was jerk. Oh, shut it. And plus, it's not like I'm celebrating his death. F. Like, seriously, it's not like he died. Either. Well, it is kind of disrespectful to do that. Plus, how would you like it if you got eliminated and someone made fun of you? Yeah, that's what I thought. Man, I can't believe I just won 2 challenges in a row. I'm gonna be here until the very end of the season. Hey, Noodles. Well, hello there, Noodles. Oh, hey there, you two. So, who got it out? Sadly, it was Jack and Jillify. He was allowed with only 2 votes. Wait, 2 votes? How did he even got out with 2 votes? Well, basically, there's only 3 votes, and he got 2 votes, and one person had 1 vote, and that one is Sugulite. Wow. Oh. That's kind of... Wow, I kind of felt bad for Jack. And Jellify. He was a nice guy. Yeah, I know. Well, true. Ooh. But hey, don't you see something interesting, Noodles? What? Since Jack is gone, since Jack and Jellify is gone, the gender is now equal again. 4 boys and 4 girls. Well, not only that, me, Whirl, Lego, unfortunately, and Orange are the only armless people still left on the show, while you two, along with the 2 gemstones, are the only 4 contestants who are still in the game with arms and legs. Huh, that's kind of a fun fact. Well, do you think we should go to the challenge? Yeah, pretty much. Alright, final 8. You have made it this far so hard. And here's some facts. What facts? Well, here they are. The genders are equal now. There's 4 girls and 4 boys. And another thing that's equaled. 4 armless people and 4 people who have arms and legs. Who have all limbs. And right now, Orange, Lego, and Heart are the only old contestants still in the game. While the rest of you 5 are still, who are the new contestants, are still here. And not only that, there's only 2 crystal gems and 2 animals. Or 2 furries, if you like to call us. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. And not only that, there's only still 2 rejoiners left, Orange and Succulite. Yeah, and I already came back since, well, a few episodes ago. Yeah, and you didn't really get to compete in the on your first time getting rejoined. Yeah, whatever, but I might win this one. Yeah, sure. Well, enough with the chit-chat. What's the next challenge? Well, follow me. Yeah, I decided to go to the animation world because I kind of feel like it. Is that really necessary to go back to the animation world? Yeah, kind of. Well, hey, it's not that bad. Yeah, it's not really that bad. Yeah, enough stating opinions. Now let's get to the next challenge. So the next challenge is to throw a paper airplane, and yeah, you know what it is. If you throw the airplane the furthest, you win. And if you throw the airplane the shortest, then you're up for elimination. So yeah. The 4 people who throw the paper airplane the 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 not so furthest will be up for voting and up for elimination. But this time it will be only a contestant vote for now on, and there'll be a new voting system someday. But anyways, let's begin.
Okay, Candy Corn, you first.
Of course. And you're saying that I should be the one who's going first, right? Gosh, I hate you so much. I predict that it's going to go way farther than Heart and Candy Corn's plane.
Wow, I liked. You've done better than me.
Like I expected. Well, guess what, Candy Corn? I'm literally gonna do better than you. Just watch, Karen. Oh, come on. How is that even fair? Looks like we got an Officerbone 2.0.
Did someone say my name?
Gosh, that's a bit harsh to do. Exactly, and now he's gonna get instant karma because of this. Alright, Noodles, it's your turn now. So, go ahead and try your best shots. Well, it looks like it's time to shine. Good luck, bro. Time to show everyone what I've got. Ugh, this really sucks. I can't believe that these Russian government just destroyed this house. We worked so hard on this house since 2018. Well, is there anything to build it up again? Since when did this plane came from? Well, it looks like Noodles flew the airplane right straight to Ukraine. I guess that would make some people in Ukraine use the plane to write them a note to look and throw it to another country just to help them out. There's only 3 contestants left. The next one throwing a paper airplane is Orange, then Suggy Light, and last but not least will be Pipe. Because Orange starts with an O, Suggy Light starts with an S, and Pipe starts with a W. And Orange comes first before S, and S comes before W.
Welcome to some people.
Wow, Orange, despite being the first eliminated with lighter and being the last rejoiner and not doing well in 2 challenges, you managed to do better.
Well, thanks. That's nice of you to say.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
I really need to throw it further than the others. I just don't want to be up for elimination again. I already got into the bottom 2 with Jack and Jellify, and I don't want to get eliminated.
Well, I got further than you, but not further than Orange. Which, if I'm correct, Heart, Candy Corn, and Lego are already up for voting, right? Well, bad news. Warpipe's the last one, and you're between Heart and me. Which means if Warpipe gets further than throughout the airplane further than you, then you would be up for elimination. So we gotta hope that he doesn't throw it further than you. Trust me, Suggy Light, that will never happen. And plus, and my predictions are correct, someone is about to destroy Warpipe's game. Finally! I get to throw a paper airplane for real! I know, right? So I hope you good luck. Alright. I am the last one. Now, let's see what this baby can do. What? Lego, just why? I don't know, just kind of feel like it. Whoa, Warpipe. I never said... Well, Warpipe, it looks due to Lego sabotaging your game. It looks like it's all over. Welp, let's just go back to the real life world, where we belong. Well, it's good to be back. Right, guys? Well, yeah. Well, can you tally up the scores now? Yep, we're doing this right now. So, Noodles, Orange, Suggy Light, and I Light are safe, having immunity, and Heart, Candy Corn, Warpipe, and Lego are up for elimination. But the viewers won't be voting for this episode. The contestants will. Well, and it's gonna happen right now for this episode. So yeah, I'll meet you guys at the elimination soon.
Ugh, just why? Just why, dude? Why what? You honestly just blocked World Pipe's plane and caused him to get 7th place. Are you kidding me? Heh, don't blame me, Karen. Ow. So do you agree that we can vote for this guy? Yeah, totally. He's literally dead now. I just had enough of him for this. Hey guys, what's going on? We're just really fed up with Lego. Well, what did he do? He just blocked my paper airplane, causing me to get 7th place. Yeah, that kind of sucks. Well, I'm not really sure if Pencil or So will be allowing us contestants who have an immunity to vote. Or he will let all of us vote, including the eliminated contestants. Meh, whatever. I just hope he gets out. Well, if he does get out, then... Well, we're at the final 8, right? Yeah. So, if Lego got out... So if we're in the final 8 and we voted out Lego, that means he will be in the same place that he was eliminated with in last season. Yeah. Right. Well, just stating a fact. True, Candy Corn. I know he can be a jerk at times, but there's no need. But what you're doing right now, it's just kind of uncalled for. Sorry, I just can't deal with him anymore. I understand. And your mistake. Well, I gotta get going. See you guys. Well, I guess we'll just have to wait.
That honestly explains why we are here.
Pretty cool.
Well, good. So, who's gonna go first?
The contestants for elimination can vote first, then the contestant who had an immunity can vote next.
Well, that's just sweet. Well, I'm gonna vote for Lego because you know why. Whatever.
Well, I love everyone, but, well...
Stalker.
Lego, I'm not stalking anyone. I'm just saying that I don't hate anyone, but unfortunately, since you honestly just called me a stalker, well, sorry. I guess I'll have to vote for you. Sorry. Well, honestly, you're Lego, you're just using stalking in a wrong context. Oh, shut it. But anyways, I'm just gonna vote for this Karen. Me?
This is why I hate you so much. Same thing.
Well, I'm gonna vote for you, since you obviously just made me get in 7th place. Oh, so that's my turn now? Well, I'm definitely gonna vote for you. I'm gonna vote for you, Lego.
Why does everyone keep voting for me?
I think...
I think I'll just choose... I guess Lego. I mean, it's kind of funny how he got eliminated in 8th place. So why don't we just put him in 8th place, like Apple? Ha ha ha! Very funny.
Well, honestly, Lego, since you're honestly just a bit selfish, we're voting you. Which is obviously true, like Highlight said.
You're not serious, aren't you?
Well, Lego, it seems like you are now in 8th place again, with 7 votes, and that also makes you the 3rd armless contestant eliminated.
Are you serious? You're not kidding me, aren't you? I can't just be eliminated at the same place I was back in last season. Well, you deserve it. Yeah, you did saw this coming. I mean, well, yeah. Well, I was the first armless contestant eliminated, but it looks like you and Matsui are the only armless contestants on the who are eliminated now. Yeah, makes sense. Now Matsui is not the only armless contestant who got eliminated. Well, you and Matsui were the only ones eliminated who have no arms because you don't have arms either. Well, true. Well, and hey, it now looks like you and Matsui are the only armless contestants who are eliminated. Although Orange was the first one to be eliminated with no arms. Whatever. And by the way, Karen, you honestly suck. I will remember this. Gosh, I hate that guy so much. Yeah, me too.
Well, I don't actually hate him, Tim, but still, I think he still saw it coming. So, Red Pence... Oh wait, you're not here. Sorry I'm late. But anyways, well, Wolfie, thanks for Wolfie, thanks for hosting this. So, Lego most all of you voted for Lego, right? Yeah, but Lego even voted for Candy Corn. And yeah, and he even called me a Karen, which I hate being called that. True, and since Lego just kept calling her a Karen, she literally got so furious to the point that she literally just throwed him off. Wow, how insane is she? But anyways, I don't actually had any prizes for this elimination, so sorry. Oh man. Meh, whatever. So what happens next? Welp, I don't have anything else to do, but, well, just stay tuned for the next episode, or just stay tuned for next episode, or, oh wait, I actually have an idea. us obviously didn't. Well, you've done better than me. I mean, in the first season, I got in 12th place, but for season 2, it was literally the worst. I just got last place. And there were no more rejoins. Orange was the last one to rejoin. And now I'm the only finals contestant who was eliminated. Now.
Well, true. But still. Ah! Ow. Oh. Yeah. Oh, and it looks like another person got eliminated. How surprising. So Lego, how did you get eliminated? Oh, let's just say I kept telling Candy Corn that she's a Karen, and even keep calling her a Karen. And not only that, I actually just sabotaged Warpipe's chances of winning. Wow, just wow, dude.
Seriously? And so the viewers voted you off, right?
No. Jack and Jellify is the one who got eliminated by the viewers. I was eliminated by the contestants. I got 7 votes. And I voted for that Karen. I voted for Karen Corn. Since she's obviously a Karen. Maybe you just called Candy Corn a Karen way too many times that she got fed up of you. Whatever. And not only that, I'm now in the same place that I was eliminated in last season. 8th place. So what? That's a pretty good place. Ace. It may sound good, but the thing is, I was already eliminated in 8th place. Ace. Can't I just get higher than 8th place, like 7th or 6th? Well, I don't know. I guess you obviously did good in both seasons. Whatever.